Hi, I'm back with this trick question. This is going to be a very quick video, and here's the question, which says that there are 8 H plus ions and you add in MnO4 negative plus X number of electrons and you get Mn2 positive plus Y number of water molecules. Now here the question is that you have to tell what is X and what is Y, like what number will come here. So there are a few steps that you need to follow. Step 1 is that write all the oxidation numbers. So let's quickly do that. Have your pencil in hand and have your paper and quickly solve these alongside me. It's super easy. So this one is basically +1, right? It gets kind of tedious to write on computer. Anyways, +1. So this is +1. MnO4 negative. Let's quickly work it out. You all can do it on your notebook. So Mn is basically X plus 4 into -2, right? In equation -1. So you are gonna have X minus 8 minus 1, X is equals to -1 plus 8, X is equals to +7. So I'm sure you all have worked it out by now. So Mn comes out to be +7. O4 obviously will be -2. This is nothing here, Mn2 plus, and here H2 is +1, O is -2, right? Normal oxide. We have written all our oxidation numbers. Now we're done with the step 1. Step 2 is change in oxidation number of manganese. So let's check what's the change in oxidation number of manganese. So here it's +7, here it's +2. So we are basically going from +7 to +2. So what's the change? There's a change of +5. Now see, we're going from 7 to 2. So what's happening here? It's reduction. And I told you what's reduction? It's oil rig. So you're gaining 5 electrons. So basically you're gonna add your 5 electrons. So your X is 5. And we're done with step 2. Now step 3 is compare hydrogen. Now let's quickly compare hydrogen. Here you have 8 hydrogen ions, and here you have Y number of water molecules. So 8 H plus, and now you have Y H2O. So basically you have 2 H plus, right? This is 2 H plus. So what are you gonna multiply it with that you get 8? Does that make sense? Like, what do you multiply it with that you get 8? So you multiply it with Y, and what is that Y? So it will be 4. You have to multiply it with 4. So 4 2s are 8. So your Y is basically 8. Let me just make this whole equation clear for you. I hope it kind of made sense to you all. So here was our equation, and they wanted us to figure out what X is and what Y is. What we did first was that we wrote the oxidation numbers of everything. Then what we did was we calculated the change in the oxidation number of manganese, and with that we were able to work out X, and in the end we compared the hydrogen. So that's all written with all the steps.